We're baffled. We don't know what to do. We just got denied. We're at Lisbon Airport, trying to get a refund, trying to get on the next flight to Ireland. Tomorrow's going to be absolutely firing. Dude, this is grindy as it gets.
This is pretty nuts. I hope we can get on the next plane. It's going to be a mission, but tomorrow's supposed to be all time, and it'll be worth it if they're saying what it's going to be like. So this is our last chance to make it for this swell. If this doesn't work out.
I used to be sponsored by Lufthansa. I have great memories.
They're going to be kind to us, I think. They seem nice.
I guess we're on. Okay guys, went to the airport 9 a.m. this morning. It's 9 p.m. right now. We're in Frankfurt on the way to Dublin. Pretty crazy what we do to catch one barrel.
Hopefully we get barreled.
Hopefully our boards will make it.
We're doing it. This is happening.
Should pretend that we just slept for 10 hours. It's only been 3.5.
Starting route to Mullaghmore. Proceed to Santry Avenue.
First coffee I've seen you drink, and
My first coffee ever. I'm so talkative right now. Like I'm gonna be talking on a lineup.
he's been talking to me in 7 different languages.
Moment of truth. We're rocking up in the one and only Mullaghmore.
Wow.
There she is.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, there's a guy paddling right now.
It's firing already.
Dude.
It's not even, it's 2 hours from low tide. Look at this thing.
Look at this next set.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect offshore. Never seen it so big and clean.
Oh my
Holy
goodness.
shit. Oh my god, it's so good out there. I think this is the best fucking waves I've ever seen in my life. Insane. So worth it, all the traveling to get here to see this freaking amazing morning. It's insane. Let's go, Torrey. Okay, one last set. Let's go. We're out there. Let's go. That went by too fast.
Couple sick ones though.
Couple waves.
Dude, that traveler one was mental you got.
Yeah, I got one good one where I just traveled for so long, man. It was firing
insane.
out there. Really hard to get.
You made it to like the very end.
Yeah, I made it
That's
to the
crazy.
very end.
You're getting barrel from like the very start. I watched you.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw you drop in.
You did?
And you're in the tube like the whole time.
Was it?
Yeah, and it ran so hard.
And it was so lumpy.
Yeah.
Dude, it was like survival mode, man. I didn't want to kill myself. I was so low on energy, man, after
Oh my gosh.
flying in from Madeira, sleeping 3 hours. Oh no.
So gnarly. I know. I was pretty beat, man.
What happened to you?
All I did out there was eat crap the whole time. I don't know. My first two wave, my second wave, I got super flex, just like, you know, buried the nose into the boil. It felt like, and then my third wave, I thought it was a perfect wave. It was like right after your wave, and I went and I was like, oh my goodness, this is it. I'm gonna get one. And right as I started dropping in, I just looked down and the boil is just like
Big.
my nose is just like poking straight into the boil, and then I went down so fast and I hit my face on the reef, like just like not hard, but a little scrape, you know, kind of a nice little kiss.
Nah, you fuck, that's so gnarly, bro. You hit it pretty hard here and here, bro.
Yeah.
Are you right? You're not concussed or anything?
I don't know. Kind of saw stars when I hit a little bit, and then I pulled my vest because it scared me, and then I went down so deep, and my ears started going. I couldn't clear, and I felt like my ears were gonna pop. It was heavy out there. That happened like twice.
That's it. That's the life of a pro surfer. When you guys think that being a pro surfer is easy, you know, this shows you how much fucking grind this shit is to come all the way to here, sleep 3 hours, travel for 48 hours, and then get here and catch 3 waves.
And then hit your
Smash
face on the reef.
It's a learning curve. You never know. I mean, like, fuck, it felt good to come here and feel the power of this wave.
Yeah.
This wave is just so incredibly strong, right?
So strong.
It's one of the most mental waves in the world.
It is. It's crazy. It's so cool to see it again. I haven't been here in like 5 years, and I was really excited about this fall. I was hoping it was going to go a little better than that, but Molly won. She won. She demands respect.
You never know when you're going to win or lose. Oh my God, still
Maybe next
pumping out
time.
there. Look at that thing.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow. That's it, guys.
All right.
Here's a travel with Torrey Meister and Nic von Ruff, just to show you guys that life ain't easy when you're chasing swell and making it happen. It's been a crazy run from Madeira to Mullaghmore, and I'll see you guys in the next episode, right?
Good times. Always a good time.
Shit.
It's not that bad. It's a little kiss. Maybe next time she'll be nice to me.
Yeah. Boys are on a budget, man. No filmers on this trip. Just a DJI Action Cam 4.
That thing's sick. That thing works great.
Waking up at 4 a.m. in Dublin this morning, knowing that we have to drive for 3 hours, was pretty brutal.
And then surfing waves like that.
I had like 2 coffees. I never had 2 coffees in my life. Double Americanos XXL.
Welcome to my life.
Dude, crazy.